From forgotten junkyards and sprawling scrap heaps under the relentless sun, the extraordinary journey of copper to brass begins. Old tangled wires, weathered pipes, discarded cables, heavy fittings, kitchen utensils and motor housings lie scattered, treasures in disguise waiting to be reclaimed. Workers sift through towering piles, selecting only high-purity copper destined for rebirth. These raw fragments are gathered carefully, loaded onto massive trucks. Shovels dig deep, loaders roar, metal crashes like thunder as beds fill high and straps secure tight. The long road unfolds, trucks rumbling across highways, copper shifting and clanging with every bump, carrying the promise of transformation. Factory gates appear, arrival. The truck tips, the load cascades in a dusty avalanche, pipes rolling, wires uncoiling, fittings tumbling into enormous piles. Purification starts. Hands and machines sort relentlessly, separating copper from plastic insulation, steel bolts, aluminum scraps. Every impurity must go. High-pressure jets blast away grease, dirt, and coatings. Water roars, steam swirls, revealing the metal's warm shine beneath. Shredders awaken, massive blades tear pipes and sheets into uniform chunks. Sparks fly, industry thunders. Magnets rise, pulling away iron and steel. Eddy currents eject aluminum and plastic, leaving only clean copper ready for fire. Into the inferno, the induction furnace glows, hungry. Crane buckets lower copper and zinc ingots. Metal tumbles in with resounding clangs. Heat surges, 1085 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Copper melts first, zinc dissolves in. Molten metal bubbles and swirls into homogeneous golden brass. Impurities float up, gray dross, oxides, slag. Skimmers rake the surface. Heavy chunks lift away, sparks sizzle as the bath purifies. Fluxes pour in, borax hisses on contact, binding remnants. Deoxidizers clear oxygen, refining to flawless quality. The moment of creation. Furnace tilts slowly, brilliant golden stream pours, filling molds for massive billets. Liquid flows, hissing against sand. Steaming clouds rise, filling every form. Glow intense and mesmerizing. Time passes, heat fades. Molten cools, golden to red to solid, hardening into powerful billets. Reheating begins. Billets soak in glowing pits, becoming pliable for shaping. Hot billets enter the extrusion press. Hydraulic rams thunder, forcing brass through dies. Long, massive rods emerge in fiery trails. Rods straighten through rollers, then massive saws slice. Sparks shower as precise lengths are cut. Surface treatment follows. Rods submerge in acid baths. Oxide scale bubbles away. Rinsing leaves clean, bright brass. Final magic. Buffing wheels roar, compound applied. Dull surfaces ignite into mirror brilliance. Reflections deep and flawless. Inspection. Rods and pots scanned under bright lights. Lasers measure. Surfaces checked. Approved. Cleaned, wrapped, labeled, bundled or boxed, stacked on pallets. These golden giants are ready. From discarded waste to gleaming massive brass rods and kitchenware, the cycle completes. A testament to ingenuity, recycling, rebirth. This is the inside story of copper, transformed forever.